viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our Coinbase wallet with 1-inch swap. Yes, also 1-inch swap is decentralized swap system, means a DEX application. So if you need to swap your coin, so you must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Please visit my YouTube channel. After that, you just simple click on video portion, and you can see here our last video is how to add Hubi Global Network in our Coinbase wallet. And also second last video is how to connect your Coinbase wallet with GMX exchange. Yes, GMX exchange is also decentralized exchange where you can easily trade with Avalanche chain or Arbitrum or Ethereum or Bitcoin. You must also watch this video till end. Okay. So if you need to connect your wallet with Coinbase wallet with 1-inch swap, simple is that. First you need to log in your wallet. I have clicked on my wallet, and after that I just enter my password here, which is I have applied when I was create account. Simple click on unlock option. Now my wallet is open front of me, and if we are going to check the network, which network supported this time over this wallet, you can see here Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Base or Phantom, BNB. Many exchanges is available here. Sorry, many network is available here. Okay, let's suppose we have selected by default Ethereum, and if I need to connect over Coinbase wallet with 1-inch swap, so first I log in my wallet, and after that I am just going to open coinjacko.com, and you can see here Bitcoin price is $27,605, Ethereum price is $1,583. So if we are going to check 1-inch swap is available at top 100 cryptocurrencies list or not, otherwise I will search from the search area. I think not available in the top 100. Simple, I type here 1-inch. Yes, you can see here the rank number is 115, and this time 1-inch price is only 24 cent. And if we are going to check the all-time high of this token, simple click on maximum. So you can see here the all-time price of 1-inch when the bull run in 2021 almost $7, but today price is only 24 cent. So it's maybe give big reward when the bull run will be start. And you can see here all-time high is $8.65, almost 97% down from the all-time high, and all-time low is 22 cent, almost 28 days ago. So if you want to buy it, which depend on you, I'm not giving to any financial advice. You can also buy this token on these exchanges, MingX, AZBit, Bitgate, Whitebit. And the 1-inch dApp is web-based application that they connected to all your sport blockchains via smart contract. The dApp offer access ability to find the best swap path across multi-chain liquidity source. Okay, so simple click on the official website link here, 1inch.io. I just simple click on it, and after that you can see here 1inch.io is open front of me, and you can see here the option is available here if you need to download from Apple Store also you can download from Google Play Store. One-stop access to decentralized finance, and also you can see here the liquidity source, total volume 366 billion, total wallet 10.3 millions, and total traders is 59 millions. Optimize your trades across 100 of DEXes on multi-network. Available here networks is Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, Optimus, Avalanche. The big name is available here: Phantom, Arbitrum, one chain DeFi wallet. So let's start. Simple click on launch dApp. Now the dApp is going to open in front of me, and you can see here this is the icon of 1 inch and loading this website. Yes, you can see here loaded, and you can see here there's options available here: connect a wallet and also network option. And many networks available here: Arbitrum, Optimus, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, Klein. So by default selected as Ethereum, and after sub exchanges Arbitrum, Optimus, and Base. Simple click on connect a wallet. Your wallet is not connected this time. If the shown this option, connect a wallet, and then accept terms and services and privacy. Simple click on I read, and you can see here the chain is available here or network is available here. Choose the network. By the default selected Ethereum. You can also select from these lists like Arbitrum, Optimus, Base, or Phantom. I select by default Ethereum, and now I'm going to select the wallet. So you can see here choose a wallet: 1 inch Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, Crypto.com Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. So we have discussed with Coinbase Wallet, so that I'm going to click on this wallet simply. And now open the Coinbase Wallet pop-ups. You can see here read the all information from the main list, and simple click on connect option. Now viewers, you can see here we have successfully connect over Coinbase wallet with 1 inch exchange or DEX application. Simple click on it. So if you have a balance your wallet, so all balance will be shown on here, and also your address is shown here. Let's suppose you want to swap any coin. Let's suppose you have Ethereum in your wallet and you want to convert in USDT. Simple click on it and simple click on USDT, and after write the amount here which is you want to convert or swap. Let's suppose I want to convert one Ethereum to USDT, so I will get $1,584, and also you will get more information about network fees and also swap fee and also slippage. You can see here settlement fees, sorry, Ethereum sell price or minimum Ethereum sell price available here. If you have balance, you just simple click on Ethereum balance. After that your Ethereum deduct from your wallet and you will receive USDT. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with one in exchange. This is so simple and easy. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. Before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.